Hey guys, this is Subhas Kumar. Once again, I am back with a new video tutorial which is related to the Sweden-based dedicated server hosting plan. So let's start this video. Basically, I'm from OnLive Server, that is a leading server hosting company which provide complete hosting solutions. Like we provide dedicated server hosting plan, VPS server hosting plan, web hosting services, and cloud server hosting. As well as we also provide domain registration service. Like here you can book your domain name at very affordable price, and free DNS and free SSL certification also you will get with this plan or with our company. And we also provide cloud services, window based or Linux based web hosting services, and hypervision server management, control panel management, and cloud management. We also provide these types of services. And you can hire admin, like Linux based hire admin, and window admin you can hire from this company. So basically this video is related to the Sweden based dedicated server hosting plan. So let's start this video. Go through the dedicated section. So just click on the dedicated server. Whenever you click on the dedicated server, then you will be redirected to the managed dedicated server hosting page. Okay, now this page is basically contain the multiple country wise dedicated server hosting plan. So we will go through the targeted location or targeted area. Like this video is related to the Sweden based dedicated server hosting page or plan. So we will go through this link. Whenever you click on the Sweden based dedicated server hosting link, then you will be redirected to the Sweden based dedicated server hosting page. Now here you will get up to the 5 plans. Okay, and the very first plan is available just $80 per month, and the second one plan is just available $90 per month. Third one is available $150 per month. Okay, and the fourth one is available $180 per month, and the fifth one and the last one is the $250 per month. Okay, so let's start this very first video or very first plan, like Sweden based dedicated server hosting plan. Now basically this plan is absolutely beneficial for the startup company. Basically those who want to increase or want to start up their business in online industry, so you can choose this one plan. Okay, and with this plan you will get Intel Atom processor, and up to 8 GB of RAM you will get with this plan, and 250 GB of SATA storage capacity, and additional 120 GB of SSD storage capacity. Okay, and with this plan you will get also, the company will also provide you multiple of benefits and amazing benefits with this plan, like fully managed service, better performance, and higher security that will be protected with the DDoS protection, and a quick and easy way to set up the server, and easy to navigate or easy to use their hosting plans. Okay, and also you will get custom control panel, like you can choose according to your convenient, according to your budget based control panel, and according to your operating system you can also choose the operating system according to your requirement. Okay, so book this plan. Just click on the buy now button. After clicking on the buy now button, then you will be redirected to the configuration page. Okay, and basically this page is denoted that whatever you are getting with this plan, like with this plan you will getting Intel Atom based processor, and that is available, that is included 8 core and 8 thread processor, and you are getting 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, and storage capacity will be 250 GB SATA storage capacity, and plus 220 GB of SSD storage capacity. Okay, and the server is fully managed, and the will be delivered to 0 to 24 hours, but most probably it will be delivered to 2 to 3 hours or 2 to 4 hours maximum. So just scroll the page and configure server. Now here to configure the server, like OnLive server, and here have to fill your domain name. Now here have to fill your password, whatever you want to keep it. Now NS1, NS2, just scroll the page. Now here you can choose, as I told that you can choose, we will provide you custom option, or we will provide you an option to choose according to your choice or according to your convenient operating system or control panel you can choose. So just click on the control panel option. Now here you will get multiple multiple operating systems like CentOS based operating system, Cetrix Cloud, Windows based operating system, Parallel Cloud Server operating system, Red Hat Ubuntu based operating system. There are multiple operating systems are available, so choose according to your convenience or according to your budget. Most of the operating system are absolutely free, and some of the operating systems are chargeable, so choose according to your convenience. Now here is the control panel, like we provide cPanel, WHM control panel, and plus control panel, direct admin control panel. You can choose according to your convenience, but make sure this is chargeable, so after choose carefully. And this is the additional bandwidth, like choose according to your convenience, and additional IP, and the data center location will be this one, and this server is fully managed. After getting these information, just click on the continue button. Like you will be redirected to the review and checkout page option. Like just you have to review these informations and click on the checkout option, checkout button. After click on the checkout button, you will be redirected to the checkout page. Like you have to fill your first name, last name, email address, phone number, and your company details. And one more thing, here you have to fill your valid email address, because you will get a complete detail or complete confirmation mail on this mail ID, whatever you want to give us. So make sure the mail ID will be the absolutely valid, and phone number is also valid. Okay, just scroll the page. Now here is the payment methods, like we accept the payment through the credit card, debit card, net banking, or wallet, UPI. And if you are from out of India, so you can choose according to the convenient, like we accept the payment through the Bitcoin, Alpha Click, Alipay, PayPal, PayUmoney, Union Pay. So choose according to your convenience, do the payment and complete your order. Okay, I hope this video is absolutely beneficial for you, and it will be help you to book your own hosting plan. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and keep smiling, keep sharing this video. Thank you for watching this video.